Morning guys! So karon is magkaon ta og salad. Salad for healthier life and healthier body. So nag-decide na jud ko guys nga kuan na jud ko vegetarian. Vegetables na jud ko guys. Dili na jud ko magkaon og meat, chicken, fish, shrimp, etc. So mag purely what na jud ko guys, vegetables. You know what? For our pain, for our healthier life, like that law. So you better watch out your health so that you will not transfer to Mars or anywhere outside the world. So kato akong gipangsulti ka ganina guys. Ako sa huna-hunaon guys. Hi! Ako sang hunaon guys kay dito ako ang pagkaon. So kay shrine to guys.